Welcome to this in-depth review of the COOLWALLET S, a revolutionary cryptocurrency wallet that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Designed for crypto enthusiasts who value security and portability, the COOLWALLET S stands out as a sleek, Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet. It allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies while maintaining full control over their assets. The wallet's slim, credit card-like design makes it ultra-portable and discreet, ideal for users who want a convenient yet secure way to manage their crypto on the go. Paired with an intuitive mobile app, it offers seamless connectivity and comprehensive support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. The app ensures real-time updates and transactions with a user-friendly interface. The COOLWALLET S is a cold wallet, meaning it stores your private keys offline to prevent unauthorized access or hacking. Security is a priority, with features like two-factor authentication, encrypted Bluetooth communication, and biometric verification available through the companion app. It's a great choice for those looking to enhance their crypto security without sacrificing convenience. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Setting up the COOLWALLET S is simple. After unboxing, charge the device and download the COOLWALLET app from your app store. Pair the wallet with your phone via Bluetooth by following the on-screen instructions. During the setup, you'll generate a recovery seed phrase. Be sure to store it securely offline, as it's the only way to recover your funds if the wallet is lost or damaged. Once set up, you can begin adding cryptocurrencies to your wallet. The app allows you to easily generate receiving addresses and monitor your portfolio's value in real time. Sending and receiving funds is straightforward, with confirmations displayed on the wallet's e-ink screen for added security. You can also explore advanced features like staking and integration with decentralized exchanges directly within the app. The COOLWALLET S strikes the perfect balance between security, portability, and functionality, making it a must-have for anyone serious about managing their cryptocurrency assets. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for more in-depth reviews of the latest crypto tools and technologies.